Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get Google on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here, if you go to the game library, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. In the left side, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Store, and here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right here, if you search here in the game library or all of your applications, you won't find Google, basically because the web browser was removed. So basically guys, the web browser was only available on the PlayStation 4. In the PlayStation 5 they removed the web browser. The only alternative for that is to go here to media and you can use some other applications like Spotify, Crunchyroll, Twitch, YouTube or Netflix. Here you're gonna find your app library, and if you want to download more apps, just go here to the left. Right here you're gonna find all apps, and then you can browse here in this list and download any app that you want. Right here you're gonna find the applications like Disney Plus, Netflix, My Channel, Prime Video, Apple TV, Twitch. Here you're gonna find some video and music apps. And lastly, right here in the bottom, you're gonna find some VR and experience apps. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video.